Now what?
Okay, now. Oh, click on General. Okay, we're gonna activate the phone. Okay, fake activate it basically.
Okay, so hit OK.
Now, no, not yet.
Whoa.
You're not gonna unlock it, right? I mean, you don't ever want to. For now, you don't want to run it on any network. You're just gonna use it like an iPod Touch, right?
For Wi-Fi and email and all
Right.
that stuff. Yeah.
Okay, hit Custom Packages. Okay, we're gonna install the installer, OpenSSH, and BSD subsystems when we do it. Installers, you know, the program that you can install the apps with.
Okay.
OpenSSH lets you log into the phone with your Mac, so you can like drag files to it and stuff like that. And then the BSD subsystem is just a background program that runs to hack it. Okay, so go to Custom Logos, and then hit the boot logo. What do you want it to be? Hit Browse. Okay, and then you got that bootloaders folder on your desktop, and it doesn't give us any. So I'm pausing the video until we figure this out.